Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. Today I'm actually going to do a review on this hair, this beautiful hair that I'm rocking, and it's by the company called RosaBeauty. Now if you're my subscriber, you know that I've reviewed some hair from RosaBeauty hair company before, and once again they've contacted me and they wanted to review their hair, so this time I chose wavy, this beautiful wavy hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Excuse me if I look down, I have all the information jotted down on my iPhone. So like I've stated before, this hair is from RosaBeauty hair. I'm going to insert a clip of what the box looks like. It has all the contact information of the company, their email, I believe their social media, their phone number, WhatsApp, I think. It came with 3 bundles of hair, a closure, and 2 packs of a wig cap. Now I don't usually use any wig cap, but you know, it's a nice little gift that came with. The box was constructed very professionally. Nothing was wrinkled or anything, so yeah, that's good. Ontario, Canada, and it took about 3 business days. This hair is Peruvian loose wave. This is my first time trying loose wave texture, and I got it in a length, I believe 2 of the 24, 22, and an 18-inch closure. Now this closure is not free parting. Yeah, it already has a middle part, but still, like, I was able to create my own parting. I made the parting a little wider, and also this closure is already bleached by me. It didn't come pre-bleached or anything, but I bleached the knots. And I'll probably create another like how to, you know, bleach the knots on your closure or lace frontal closure video. If you want me to do that, thumbs up and comment down below. The texture is loose wavy, but I feel like this hair seems to be like more of like a curly, or even like a wavy curly texture, which I love. I've been looking for that perfect wavy curly texture. I'm still on a hunt, but this one is very nice as well. It's very soft. It takes conditioner very well, so it smells really nice. And it's very juicy and bouncy, as you can see. And I'll probably insert some clips of what it initially looked like in a bundle form. This is the hair's natural state. There's no mousse or anything. Now the closure is just a little bit frizzier, a little bit more frizzy, but that's because I ran my fingers through it while I was, like, you know, plucking the hairline a little bit. I have no hair left out, by the way, so yeah. So this is the closure and obviously the bundles. I made it into a wig. I have how to make a basic wig, not a basic wig, a versatile wig video coming up. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe and stay tuned. I hope this thing is filming because it's sticking. As you can see, oh my goodness, the waves and the curls are popping. It's very juicy. I don't know if you want to see the back, but it looks like this. That's the back. As you can see, it's very bouncy. It's very long. I'm almost 5'9". Let me just move the chair. Yep, so I'm almost 5'9", and it comes down just right above my butt. The color of this hair is, I would say, a dark 1B. The tips are a little bit brown. It's very dark on the top. I wouldn't say like a 1 or jet black, but it's natural black, but on the darker side. Now in terms of shedding, when I was creating this wig, I did cut the wefts. just so I don't have that just so it's seamless, because this hair is already voluminous. I didn't want the wig to be too bulky, so I did cut the wefts. So I think due to that I did have a little bit of shedding. Out of 10 I would say it was about 2.5 over 10, so obviously that wasn't that bad. Keep in mind that this is wavy curly or loose wave, so you are going to get a little bit of shedding, but it's not overwhelming. Like right now I'm wearing the hair and I got like maybe like one strand here, and obviously you can't see that, but yeah, I just love the curls. It's so bouncy. I'm actually planning to color this hair. I won't tell you what color, you're gonna have to stay tuned, but I'll probably put some highlights in. Yeah, I'm kind of excited for that. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I hope it turns out great. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. It's very flirtatious. And tangling also, just a little bit. I would say like just a nape. But other than that, like you see, other than that, I don't really like running my fingers through the hair because then it gets too big and frizzy. Like I like the curls to be very defined, right? So, but other than that, this is a closure. I didn't really have time to pluck it, but at the same time that's actually good, right? So you guys can see what the closure actually looks like before I manipulate it. So yeah, ooh, I just dropped my phone. I'm sorry, baby. So yeah, this is the initial review of this hair, so I can't say too much. I do have another hair company to review, so I'm gonna have to take this down and then review that initially, and then I will go back to this one. I'll probably wear it for like a week and then wear the second one again. Like I'll switch it up back and forth. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked it and I hope it was informative enough for you, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.